Urban areas from towns to cities are the economic lifeblood of our country. They're the engines of our nation and, through increased urbanization, are getting larger and larger every year. For example, in 1996, the Tshwane metropolitan area had a population of 1.8 million people. Today, that figure is over 3.1 million. And it's predicted that in the year 2050, the population could be as high as 5 million. It's also estimated that by 2050, 80% of all South Africans will be living in urban areas. That's a lot of people who need to earn a living or have a place to live with water and electricity and get from home to work or need parks to relax in every single day. A carefully developed and integrated urban area ensures that a citizen, let's call her Thandi, spends less time traveling to work and is able to spend more time with her family. She also saves money because she lives closer to her workplace, and the transport options are better integrated, which means that she's able to change from a train to a bus using the same ticket with minimal walking or waiting in between. If urban development is not intelligently integrated and growth not properly planned for, cities become choked. Poorly managed urban areas with little or no cooperation between government, communities, and the private sector mean that their residents' potential won't be achieved and they will become frustrated. In a worst-case scenario, where no integrated development happens, Thandi is unable to earn a living, resides in an unsafe and unhealthy environment, and can't access basic services such as healthcare or good schools for her children. Settlements may also be too far from amenities or built next to hazardous sites, and pollution may cause health problems in Thandi's children, so they miss school. All of this is detrimental to the social and economic well-being of a city and its citizens. And why the Integrated Urban Development Framework, or IUDF, is so critical for the future success of our towns and cities. The IUDF is a countrywide urban policy approved by Cabinet designed to create cities, towns, and villages that are vibrant, well-connected, safe, and livable. It's a vision of how government and all its partners should be thinking about making the most of urban growth. But the implementation of the IUDF is only achievable if there is dedicated collaboration between all levels of government, civil society, the private sector, and development partners, making planning and investment decisions in the urban space together, and inviting civil society groups to contribute to the planning and management process to ensure that development is beneficial to all, so that our towns and cities become places where land is used sensibly, with socially and racially integrated residential and industrial areas and commercial sites. Transport is integrated, affordable, and reliable. Basic amenities are easily accessible, and communities and public spaces are safe. And so allowing Thandi and all the residents of the city to reach their full potential in an environment that allows the economy to thrive, with greater, more resilient economic prospects and a more prosperous, cohesive, happier, and safer community. With government, the private sector, and civil society working together, the vision of the IUDF is achievable. My city, a place where I work, live, and play. Here's to a brighter future for all.